day 15, Butuan. Just got up and it's absolutely bucketing down, as you can see. I'm not going to set out in this. It could be another long day. Very nice hotel, and it actually does breakfast. I wonder what's for breakfast. Eggs, tiny sausages and rice. What a surprise. And you know, here in the Philippines, you get a fork and a spoon. What's wrong with a knife? This is the island of Mindanao. It's the second biggest island in the Philippines peninsula. And it's got a population of around 27 million people, which makes it the 7th most populous island in the world. Now, Mindanao has a little bit of a checkered recent history. The west of the country is considered to be quite dangerous. It's been renowned for a bit of civil unrest, and there's been an ongoing low-level military conflict for many years. So basically, I've changed, as I mentioned in the earlier video, I've changed my loop so I don't visit the west of the island. So the first place I'll be driving to from here, which is Butuan, which you can see where the blue dot is. I'll be heading down to Davao now. That'll probably take me a couple of days. Then, after a day or two's rest in Davao, I will head up to Cagayan de Oro and then take the ferry, Cebu bound. There has been a history of kidnappings in Mindanao, but not for some years, so I'm sure I'll be okay. But I was thinking, if I do get kidnapped, who is going to pay my ransom? After the longest of very long days, I've made it to Davao. The pictures before of the sunshine didn't represent the whole day. Until the last 2 hours it was beautiful, and 40 kilometers from Davao started raining. Traffic in Davao shocking, but I'm here at the most southerly point on my journey. I'm going to have a rest here. I'm going to stay here for a few days. So I'll probably not post a video tomorrow. You'll be pleased to know. But I'm safe and sound. The capital of Mindanao, I think. And I'm here in one piece. And that's all that matters.
Wow.